features. Voilà.
Come on, baby.
Como si fuera un pepino.
Sickos, thank you very much for bringing Veronica here. See the movie.
Shut your mouth, you're gonna feel the flow. Attitude, the one you got for baby attitude. The one you got for baby attitude. Attitude. Inside your fetal brain, there's probably yours. If you don't shut your mouth, you're gonna feel the flow.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long.
Hey, I'm Nikolaj Coster-Waldau. This is Jonas Alexander Arnby, the director of The Suicide Tourist. We're about to have our world premiere here in Sitges. We are very, very excited. So check out the movie.
Check out the movie. Thank you so much.
I got you, baby. Baby, I know we gonna build to have fun tonight. Baby,